Driving a manual car is like an art form, a dying skill that separates true car enthusiasts from the rest. But even the best drivers can fall into bad habits that can seriously damage their clutch, transmission, and overall driving experience. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into 7 things you should never do while driving a manual car. Let's get started. 1. Using the clutch pedal as a footrest. First up, let's talk about a mistake even experienced manual drivers make: using the clutch pedal as a footrest. It may seem harmless, but resting your foot on the clutch partially engages it, leading to premature wear. Over time, this damages the pressure plate and clutch disc, reducing their lifespan significantly. Instead, keep your foot on the dead pedal, that's the space to the left of the clutch, and only use the clutch when shifting. 2. Using the clutch to prevent rolling at a stop. Hill starts can be intimidating, but using your clutch to prevent rolling back is a shortcut to expensive repairs. Holding the clutch at the biting point for too long wears down the friction materials, causing your clutch to burn out faster. Instead, use the handbrake. Hold it while engaging the clutch and gently pressing the gas. Then release the handbrake smoothly. This method will save your clutch and make your start smoother. 3. Resting your hand on the gear lever. Many people do this without realizing the damage they're causing. Resting your hand on the gear lever. It seems innocent, but doing this applies pressure on the selector fork inside your transmission, leading to unnecessary wear and tear. Instead, keep both hands on the wheel for better control and less wear on your gearbox. 4. Keeping your car in gear while stopped. We've all been in stop-and-go traffic and thought, I'll just keep the car in gear to be ready to move. Big mistake. Keeping the clutch engaged while stopped puts stress on the clutch release bearing and can cause overheating. The right way? Shift into neutral and take your foot off the clutch to prolong its lifespan and make your drive easier. 5. Using the incorrect gears. Unlike automatic cars, manual drivers have full control over gear selection, but that means there's room for error. Shifting too early leads to sluggish acceleration, while shifting too late strains your engine and clutch. A good rule of thumb? Shift gears when your RPMs are in the optimal range, typically between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM, depending on your car specs. 6. Flooring it in low RPMs. Ever felt your car struggle when you floor it in a high gear? That's because low RPMs don't give you enough power, and your engine has to work extra hard. The solution? Downshift. If you need power, go down a gear to keep your RPMs in the sweet spot, reducing engine strain and improving acceleration. 7. Shifting without engaging the clutch. Believe it or not, some drivers attempt to shift gears without using the clutch. Yes, it's possible, but it's a fast track to damaging your gearbox. The clutch disengages the engine from the transmission, allowing for smooth shifts. Without it, your gears grind and wear out much faster. Always engage the clutch before shifting. Your transmission will thank you. There you have it, 7 things you should never do in a manual car. Keep these in mind, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips.